Dear students, now we are going to discuss a very important trick. So the trick is related to finding square of any 3-digit number. So please understand what this trick is about. So I am going to teach you a trick wherein you can quickly find the square of any 3-digit number. So for example, 792 whole square. So this is a 3-digit number and we are trying to find square of this number. So we can do so in like 10 to 15 seconds of time, 10 to 15 seconds. So let us see. So let's take an example first. 211 whole square. So this is a 3-digit number. So first imagine or draw 5 blank spaces. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blank spaces are there. So all these 5 blank spaces are basically 1-digit number. So you have to write one digit on all these blank spaces except the first one, because we cannot control how many digits will there be on first digit. So on the last 4 ones you have to write one digit. So 1 digit each. Let us see. So what have we to write on these blank spaces? That is the trick. So let us see what the trick is. So here you have to write a square. So what is A, what is B, what is C? So this is a 3-digit number. So assume first digit as A, second digit as B and third digit as C. So write A square, then leave one blank space, leave a space here you can see, then write B square, then again leave a space and then write C square. So A is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4. So I write 4 here. Then I leave a blank space, then I write 1 B square. So what is B? B is equal to 1. So 1 square is 1. So I write here. C is equal to 1. So C square is 1. So I write 1 here. So we have already filled 3 blank spaces. Now what to do with the remaining ones? Let us see. So here we have to write 2 into A into B. So A is equal to AB. So 2 into 2 into 1. So you can do all this in your mind. Since I am teaching you, that's why I am writing. Otherwise, just by looking, you can do this in your mind. So 2 multiplied by 1, so 2AB, so 2 into 2 into 1, so 4. So write 4 here, write 4 here. So what next? 2AC, please understand, you have to write 2AC here. What does this mean? That means in this column, you can treat this as 5 separate column, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column and 5 column. So 5 column of numbers. So 2AC will be in the third column, B square will also be in the third column only. So 2AC. So 2AC, just look, you have to do all this in your mind. So 2 into 2 into 1, again 4. So write 4 here. Now 2BC. So 2BC. So 2BC is equal to 2 into 1 into 1. So that is equal to 2. So write 2 here. So now we have filled all the spaces. Now we will convert this into one single digit and write. So 1, so write 1 here. 2, so write 2 here. 4 plus 1, so write 5. 4, so write 4 and 4 again, so write 4 here. So 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. Let us verify whether our answer is correct or not. So 211 whole square. So 211 square is the answer. 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. So you can see 4, 4, 5, 2, 1 is what the calculator says, and our answer is that as well. So let's take one more example so that you get a better grip. But please realize something. So the terms that you have to fill, they are very, you can say, rhythmic. So A square, then you leave a blank space. I'll show it to you once again. So let us see, there are 5 blank spaces and how we have to fill those blank spaces. See again. So you have to write A square, then you have to leave a blank space. You leave a blank space, then you write B square, then again you leave a blank space and then you write C square. Fine. So what are A, B, C? First digit is A, second digit is B, third digit is C. Then what? 2AB. So AB. So first you write 2AB here, then 2AC here. How will you remember AC? First you connect AB, that is AB, then you connect AC. So 2AC. Third 2BC. So BC you have to write here. So if you remember this, you can find these kind of squares very fastly. All you can do everything in your mind. Let us take one more example. So 408 whole square. So there are 5 blank spaces. Let's fill this blank spaces first. So 4 is equal to A, 0 is equal to B, 8 is equal to C. So let us see what we have to write. A square, B square, C square. So A square is 16. So we will write 16 here. B is 0. So B square is 0. C is 8. So C square is 64. So write 64 here. Then we have to write 2AB here. So A is 4, B is 0. So 2 into 4 into 0 is 0. So write 0 here. Then we have to write 2AC here. So 2 into 4 into 8. So 4 into 8. So 2AC. So 2 into 4 into 8 is equal to how much? 64. So we write 64 here. Then what? 2BC. So 2BC means 2 into 0 into 8. So that is equal to 0 because value of B is 0. So 0. Then finally what do? We convert this into single digits. So there are 5 columns. We have to convert each column into single digits. So 64. So write only 4 here. 6 is carry forwarded. So 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now here 0 plus 64. So 64. So you can write only 4 here. Carry forwarded 0. Sorry, 6. So 6 plus 0 is again 6. So write 6 here. And finally you have to write 16 as it is. So final answer is 166464. Let us verify this as well. So question is 408 whole square. So 166464, you can see the answer matches. Now how can we solve this one? Assume A is equal to 6, B is equal to 1 and 8 is equal to C. So we have to fill this 5 blank spaces and convert them into single digit numbers. We will get the answer. Let us see. A square first. So A is equal to 6. So 36 here. B is equal to 1. So 1 square is 1. C is equal to 8. So 8 square is 64. Then we have to write 2AB. So A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 1. So 2 into 6 into 1 is 12. So we write here 12. Then what? 2AC. So 2 into A is 6, C is 8. So 2 into 6, 12, 12 8s are 96. So we write 96 here. Then last we have to write 2BC. So 2 into B is 1, C is 8. So that is equal to 16. So we write 16 here. So there are 5 columns. 5 columns. We have to convert these columns into 1 digit number each. So 64 we cannot write. So we write only 4 here. And 6 is carry forwarded. So 6 plus 16 becomes equal to 22. So you cannot write 22 as it is. So you write 2. And 2 is carry forwarded. So 2 plus 1, 3. And 96 plus 3, 99. So we cannot write 99 as it is. We will write only 9. And 9 is carry forwarded. Now 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. So we cannot write 21. So we will write only 1 digit. So 1 and 2 is carry forwarded. 36 plus 2 is 38. So answer is 381924. Let's verify. So 618 square. So what is the answer? Let us verify. Hope our answer is correct. So yes, it is 381924. Again, same method. You can assume A is equal to 8, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 4. And you have to fill this 5 blank spaces. So let's do that. So A square. So A is equal to 8. So we write 64 here. B is equal to 1. So 1 square is equal to 1. We write 1 here. C is equal to 4. So C square is equal to 16. So we write 16 here. What next? 2AB. So 2 into A is equal to 8. B is equal to 1. So that is equal to 16. So write 16 here. Then 2AC. So 2 into A is 8 and C is 4. So that is equal to 64. So 64 we have to write it here. Then 2BC. So 2 into B is equal to 1. C is equal to 4. So that is equal to 8. So we write 8 here. What next? We convert these 5 columns into 1 digit each. So 16 we cannot write. We write only 6. And 1 is carry forwarded. So 8 plus 1 become equal to 9. So we can write 9. Nothing carry forwarded. Now 1 plus 64 is equal to 65. We cannot write 65. So we will write only 5 here. So we write 5 and 6 is carry forwarded. Now 16 plus 6 is 22. We cannot write 22, we write only 2 here, and the remaining 2 is carry forwarded. So 64 plus 2 is equal to 66. So we write 66 as it is. So this is our final answer, 662596. So let's verify. So question is, you can see here 814 whole square. So 814 whole square. So that is equal to 662596. Now 716 square, same way, a is equal to 7, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 6. So I will straight away write the answer now. So 49 here, because a is equal to 7, here 1 square, that is equal to 1, here c is equal to 6, so 36. Here I have to write 2ab, so 2 into 7 into 1, 14. Here 2ac, so 2 into 7 into 6, 84. And here 2bc, so 2 into 1 into 6, that is equal to 12. So now I convert this into single digit numbers. So let's do that. 36 I cannot write, so I would be writing only 6 here. 3 is carry forwarded, so 12 plus 3, 15. I can write only 5 here, and 1 is carry forwarded. So 1 plus 1, 2. 84 plus 2 is equal to 86, so I write only 6 here. 8 is carry forwarded. 8 plus 14 is equal to 22. So I write 2 here, and 2 is carry forwarded. 49 plus 2 is equal to 51. So I write 51 here. So final answer should be 512656. So let's see. So question is 716 whole square. So yes, it is 512656. So I hope you like this method, and if you like this method, then please do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and if possible please hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload these kind of videos in future, you get notified. So before I end this video, so here is the last one which you have to solve. So what I request you is that you do all the calculations in your mind and write as minimum as possible. So as minimum as possible. So have a good look at the screen, have a paper before you, and just write only when it is necessary for you to. So whatever answer you get, you have to write in the comment section below. So this is what you have to do. This is the trick. So write your answers in the comment section below.